Let's design this nut with the threads step by steps, and as well this bolt, kind of bolt and the spring holder. At the end we'll so the print, we'll check the quality of the printing, see if it is possible to get the same quality as the design. I will start with the bolt spring holders. We'll first activate the top planes and then activate the sickle, and here will be 3 millimeters as the meter. Now extrude, and we'll put here 23, the extrusion. Now I will again sketch on top of that and make here one more sickle, and here will be 8 millimeters of the meter extrude, and we'll put here, let's see, 4, I think 3, yeah, okay, 3, it is good, maybe 4 is better, and then okay. Now again sketch on top of this last one, come here and sketch and make sickle, and this will be as well 5 millimeters the meter, and then extrude, and here will be 12 millimeters. Then I will again sketch in this last one and make one more sickle, and here will be smart dimension will be 7. We'll put 7. Okay. Now, okay, extrude, and will be 3. Okay. So that way maybe we'll change here this extrude, and we'll put 13. Let's put here 13, and okay. So that's the kind of the holder. Now I will make the threads. Here we'll go to the threads, and we'll start here. So in this edge, and here we'll put, let's see, maybe metric tab, and it will be m.125 0.25. So that's the one we'll use here. So that's first one, and revolution will be 11.77. I think it's okay. Now let's come here and then click OK. Will be okay, that's good. So that's a small thread, very fine one. We'll see if it holds. Now let me go and make as well the nut. So we'll do the nut as well. So that's very fine one, and we'll see if the 3D printing will print according to the design. Let's now here make with the nut. Again, top plane, activate the polygon, and here we'll measure, let's put here 11. I think 11 is good. Now let's extrude first. Let me make the sickle, maybe extrude first. Now let's here go to the extrude, and we'll put here 4. Okay, now let's make a sketch here and make one sickle in the middle of that, and this will be 5 millimeters, and we'll here extrude the cut, and it will be up to next, and I click OK. So that's the one. Now let's make this thread as well. Come here to this thread, and I will activate this edge, and here will be metric tab as well, and will be cuts, and that's okay. So that's it. So very simple drawing. Now let's test and see if this one here holds in the 3D printer. We'll just here copy and then save as STL and send to the Cura and the 3D print. So that's the way it is now. Let's see how it looks like the printing. So I'm printing now, and we're gonna see the quality of this one here. The printing quality is not good as we were expecting, but that the results not so bad and not as well so good. I used a net A8, and that the result. So we get the results, and I hope you liked. And please don't forget to subscribe, and I see you to the next one.